Once you log into the platform, you will be taken to the All Survey screen. Here you will see the list of all the surveys present in the user's account. To create a new survey, let's head on to the Create Survey button. You can now see the list of templates crafted specially for you. You can choose from the most commonly used like the NPS, CES and the CSAT surveys, or if you prefer, you can also build one from scratch. For this video's purpose, we'll use an NPS template. Clicking on the template will enable you to rename the survey as well as select the language or which folder to place it in. Once you hit create, you will be taken to the build section. Here you can see the list of all the questions in the survey as well as a question-wise preview on the left side. Replace the bracket text with the name of your organization and you have just created your NPS survey. Click on the question settings to further customize your NPS question by adding your organization's logo or name at the top of the question as well as changing the text at the extremities. You can also change the follow-up questions, which is the same for all the ratings by default. You can toggle it to be a different question for promoters, passives as well as detractors. Click on the Add button to add from a wide variety of question types. Heading back to the build section, you can see the appearance settings to further customize your survey to match your brand theme. Change the survey settings to your preference or add translations to run a bilingual or a multilingual survey. You can also click on the preview button to see how your survey looks on different devices. Now head on to the Share tab to start sending out your survey. The easiest way is to copy the link and send it to anyone you want. It will be an anonymous survey and hence would not have the name or details of your responder. You can also share it via email if you have a list of the contacts. You can upload the contacts in a CSV format and then send the bulk email. You can also schedule the email to be sent at a later time. Use pipe text to personalize the mail for the responder. Set an expiration for the survey if you want to enable time-bound restrictions. You can also embed the first question of the survey directly in the email as shown. If you already use a CRM like HubSpot or Salesforce, you can embed the survey in their campaigns as well. You can also share via QR code as well as embed it in your website. We also offer SMS or WhatsApp campaigns. Moving on to the integrations tab, you can connect to Slack to receive responses into a Slack channel or Intercom to push surveys in a support chat, or also connect with Zapier. Let us create an email integration. Let us set the condition on question 1 to be NPS group which is equal to detractors and save this condition. Now let's add a notification task for the internal team which will be sent when there is a detractor. Also, quickly enter the details of the responder using pipe text to eliminate the need of opening the software again and again. Click on save and then turn this email notification on. By default, a few integrations are already added for the template type surveys. These include automated email notifications for responses, any detractors in the survey, as well as a thank you email response for your customers who fill the survey. Now we move on to the reports section. Here you will see a dashboard with all the necessary details, in case you opted for a template type question. This is the report of an NPS survey for a hotel. You can see the NPS details, the total number of responses, the NPS trend by monthly basis, as well as the responses. We also have the top trending tags, a word cloud, as well as overall sentiment. In case you build a survey from scratch, you will see the survey metrics screen instead of the dashboard. This shows you the question-wise analysis of the survey. You can share this report by using this link or export it into a CSV, Excel, or a PDF file. Now comes the AI part of the software. In case you have responses, let's say above 100, it will be quite difficult to read and analyze each response. This is where text analysis comes in handy. You will have to create tags based on a few key points and train the software by reading a few comments. After that, the software will automatically tag all comments and sort them respectively. It will also determine the sentiment related to the comments and list them with the respective tags. Back to the home screen, we have the dashboard section where you can create DIY dashboards. These can include reports from different surveys so that you can track different touch points in a single dashboard. You just need to click on Add Report, select a survey, select the question and the preferred report for it. You can also visit the Settings tab to add different users as well as customizing your account, including changes to your subscription, password, etc.